Assalamualaikum, I am Nur Azimah binti Nordin. My matric number is F19A0271. I am SPP2 student. So let's talk about intellectual property. What is intellectual property? Intellectual property, or IP, refers to creation of the mind, such as inventions, literary and artistic works, design, symbol, names, and image used in commerce. IP is protected law, for example, patents, copyright, and trademarks, which enable people to earn recognition or financial benefits from what they invent or create. By striking the right balance between the interests of innovators and the wider public interest, the IP system aims to foster an environment in which creativity and innovation can flourish. So, what are the type or categories of intellectual property? It got 4 types, which is, the first one is trade secret. Trade secret is a secret for a business. They are proprietary system, formulas, strategies, or other information that is confidential and is not meant for unauthorized commercial use by others. These critical forms of protection that can help businesses to gain a competitive advantage. Although intellectual property rights protection may seem to provide a minimum amount of protection, when they are utilized wisely, they can maximize the benefits and value of a creation and enable world-changing technology to be developed, protected, and monetized. The second one is trademark. Trademarks are another familiar type of intellectual property rights protection. A trademark is a distinctive sign which allows consumers to easily identify the particular goods or services that a company provides. Some examples include McDonald's Golden Arch, the Facebook logo, and so on. A trademark can come in the form of text, a praise, symbol, sound, smell, and color scenes. Unlike patent, a trademark can protect a set or class of products or services instead of just one product or process. Third is copyright. Copyright does not protect ideas, rather it only covers tangible forms of creations and original work, for example, art, music, agricultural drawings, or even software codes. The copyright owner has the exclusive right to sell, publish, or reproduce any literary, musical, dramatic, artistic, or agricultural work created by the author. The last one is patent. A patent is used to prevent an invention from being created, sold, or used by another party without permission. Patents are the most common type of intellectual property rights that comes to people's minds when they think of intellectual property rights protection. A patent owner has every right to commercialize its patent, including buying and selling the patent or granting a license to the invention to any third party under mutually agreed terms. For me, intellectual property is important, whether collectively or individually, to businesses, as they are intangible assets that can be financially exploited because, like physical property, they can be sold or licensed. Every business possesses such assets, whether they are aware of it or not. When a business is establishing its presence in the marketplace, protecting and managing its intellectual property is critical, as it can mean the difference between success or failure. That is why it is important for businesses to understand the different forms of intellectual property, because some involve a formal application and examination process before a right can be registered, while others come into play without the need of a registration process. So, what I want to achieve in the second half of this semester is definitely mastering the whole topic learned, and especially for this subject, and working harder than before, because many tasks have to be completed at the same time. Good luck everyone. Assalamualaikum.